Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly invite your team on DocuSign. Now, there are a few ways how to go about doing this. You can do this under admins, or once you get started, you can look at the top and you'll find invite team. You can click on that. Start filling in the names, email address, and the role. So you can set administrator, sender, or viewer, whichever one you want. Once you add someone, you can now click and add another, and you can fill out until you have your entire team. Once you're done, click on invite, and they'll receive an invite on DocuSign. As I said, you can also do that under your account as an admin. So you can click on admin as well. And under the admin section, you can also add your team or add people. And to do that, you want to go ahead and scroll down to the section where you have users and groups. And here you can go to users and you can add those people as well. As you can see, this is me as the current user, but I can click and add a user. And from here, I can enter the email address, click on next, proceed, and I can enter the profile information, the security, and the permission and the profile and groups as well. So you can add that as well under this section. You can also go to the groups section, and from here you can add a group as well if you want to add groups as well. So these are the ways where you can easily add people on DocuSign, guys. Very easy and very simple.